and today is the 26th of July 2023.
Asuntosyköyhtiö Untamantalo.
And we also finally got inside Fredrikinkatu 24, so you can stay here and should get to the second speak to you later. Look at that, how it was before here. The paintings before. But look at it, and these drawings were beautiful of the building itself.
Yeah.
Let's see how old it is. 1917. It dates back to 1917, and at least this elevator was constructed in 1963. I'll take the horizon here. It's here, is it Kampio, so or Punavuori?
Kampio probably, but I have to check.
Actually, 1911 it was built.
Yeah.
So it's Kampio.
Yeah, probably, but I have to check it.
It's Kampen or Punavuori, read by Helsinki Sports was in Finland. Survived in 1963, turning 60 years old this year, it's 2023, and the symbol is H11763. And it's going to be inspected in 2025, and it has the capacity sign in the bottom, which will entrance here. 3 persons of the progress. Both Swedish airbases should be here.
Yeah.
Strange sounds, but
Mm. Inspekteert parkingwijs betaald met een paar Kone.
I love the smell in here.
Same.
And also I love the sounds here.
Same.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you can take this BSC later. Because they might also be the same as this.
Yeah.
It would also be important to film.
Mm. That's